Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and I recently bought this little stove. So today I'm going to take it out, have a little test with it, see what it's like. But before I forget, I'd also like to thank Jerry from Cruiser Mac. If you get a chance, go and check out his channel. He recently hit 2,000 subscribers and he was doing a giveaway. Now the giveaway was for a drill, and because he lives in North America, postage would cost a fortune. So I said to him, you know, don't enter me for the prize or anything like that, but best of luck to everyone who enters. And he insisted that I enter anyway, and I ended up winning, which was rather nice. And he rather incredibly generously sent me a very nice Amazon gift card voucher. So please, if you get a chance, go check Jerry out. He does a brilliant show every Sunday in his man shed, where he tries out a new beer, discusses what he's done through the week, and he's just an awesome guy. So go check him out. Cheers. In case you're watching on TV, I'll also have a link in the description below. Go check it out. This is what his homepage looks like. You could actually use this as a replacement for a campfire. It chucks out quite a lot of heat. I'm just going to let these die down a bit and then cook some lunch. When in use, this door is quite generous for adding more fuel. Nothing fancy today, I'm just using my bargain set here to do some plain old noodles. Stove works well. Pretty impressed with that. Anyhow guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to have my lunch. Till next time, take care.